Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. As soon as I got all my plants out for the garden out of these lights here, I got my hydroponic tubs going, and it's been about a month, and it is definitely time to start picking. Do you believe the size of these leaves? It takes them about a month to go from the little sprout to full-fledged ready to pick. So I started some fresh plants a couple days ago. Wow. These are a butter crunch variety. Back there is a winter density romaine. These guys here. Well, this looks like Paris Island cause, not the winter density. Because Paris Island cause makes a long running type of romaine. It doesn't give you a good head. Winter densities will give you a head. Are 8 plants, I believe, in this tub. May only be 6, but I think there's 8. So we pick them pretty good. I can pick them and get about 3 rounds. Then it's time to replace. I got 3 of these tubs, so it's pretty impressive for us. And here's what all we've picked. And you can see there's still 2 plants back here I haven't messed with. All those plants over there. And then I got 6 more down here on the bottom. So this hydroponic, somehow or other, I'm going to have fresh lettuce and fresh tomatoes at the same time. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. In the summertime, lettuce, hydroponics is the way to go. Thank you for watching.